Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Manchester Caravan, Motorhome and Holiday Show. I'm going to be taking a look at the caravans that are on display along with a few of the other accessories. So come and join us.
The Manchester Caravan, Motorhome and Holiday Destination Show was originally held at Event City. The show has now moved to Manchester Central, which is located in the centre of Manchester to help us make use of public transport. This year's show is a much smaller event and can be seen in a full morning or afternoon, leaving plenty of time to do some shopping or have a meal in one of the many restaurants that Manchester has to offer.
So we've just been chatting to the guys at Van Gogh and they're telling us that the prices are going to go up by 25% towards the end of this year. So if you're looking for an awning or any awning products, you want to check these prices out because at the moment they've got some cracking deals on. But just think, if you want one, get it in early, otherwise you'll be paying a lot more.
Juliet and Phil would like to thank you all for watching. Please consider subscribing to their channel and leave a comment below. Bye for now.